Going to bring you on an awesome weekend excursion that's going to include a workout in the forest, trail riding, rock crawling, camping, all kinds of good stuff. We're starting our journey here at Green's Market, a local natural food market right here in Chester, New Jersey. Green's Market carries all kinds of really cool products, and they even have their own supplement and vitamin lines, as well as doing fresh pressed juices and making delicious wraps. I'm stopping in here today specifically to grab some Riot Energy. Riot Energy is super clean, no sucralose, which is rebranded Splenda, no extra rubbish that's unnecessary. So I like to fast well into the day, and when you consume products that have things such as sucralose, you can experience a lot of stomach discomfort and a plethora of other issues. You're also going to find L-theanine in there, which is really good for cognitive function, keep you alert and focused. You also find Tulsi in there, which Tulsi is great for combating free radical damage. Anytime we put our bodies under stress, whether it be working out, going on hikes, anything strenuous will produce free radicals in the body. It also offers adrenal gland support, which our adrenal glands govern a plethora of hormones within the body, including cortisol, which cortisol is our stress hormone. And depending on how kooky the trails are that you're getting after, you might have some cortisol to combat. These trails that I'm riding in the forest on the search for the perfect workout spot in the sun aren't anything too crazy, but that's all going to change later when I meet up with some champion rock crawlers. You can never be too cautious with water holes in the mystical pines. Known for its quicksand and swallowing up vehicles, you never know when a little looking puddle is going to swallow you whole.
Wasn't nearly as bad as I thought.
And then, it finally happened. Found an absolutely perfect workout spot out here. Good Lord. That sunshine feels too good though. Grab the old push-up board. And we got all kinds of goodies in here. Resistance bands that attach these metal rods. It's gonna be a good old time, baby. Name of the game while working out is maintaining constant tension on the muscle groups that you're working, getting a full stretch and full contraction while never alleviating a load from it. A couple things I really love to incorporate when training back is wrapping my thumbs around the outside of the grip along with the other fingers. This more so takes the biceps out of the equation, and also acting as if my lats are attached to my elbows and pulling through my elbows. So when I go forward, you'll see my lats are fully stretching forward, and then when I'm pulling back, I'm pulling through my elbows, really accentuating that contraction when I get all the way back. And also, it's been found, especially with back, that more damage is done on the eccentric portion of the movement versus the concentric, which the eccentric is when you're stretching out. So make sure to maintain constant tension and really exaggerate that stretch for back especially. There's many components to my home on wheels setup that allows me to fully send it off-road and maintain my full functionality. And one of those integral components is road active suspension. Road active suspension helps to eliminate weight sag, which I absolutely love for the appearance of the vehicle, but also eliminates the possibility for bottoming out hard, excessive body roll and sway, and with wheel hop. It also keeps everything that I have in the back in place, keeping everything from getting real thrown around. And here's a look at everything that I keep back here full time. I have a Bluetti AC200p solar generator. I have an Iceco 40-liter fridge and freezer. It's a dual zone, so each compartment's temperature can be set individually. And form and function really dictated how my layout was set. You'll notice that I have plastic organizers with access from each side and ottomans that are super lightweight. Maintaining functionality was super important to me, especially coming from a 1,100-pound slide-in truck camper, and now having my dream camper of a Flippac, which weighs less than 300 pounds. My build is also equipped with 529 gears and a rear locker, sourced from East Coast Gear Supply, sitting around 7.5 inches of lift on 35-inch Yokohama Geolandar XMTs, wrapped around Raceline Raptors, 17 by 9-inch wheel. It's really common that people say to me, "Man, you could go anywhere with that thing." But I met up with some legendary people with some homemade buggies that truly can go anywhere. This is just a normal day for Andrew. Champion rock crawler, owner of the 4x4 place. It can bring just about any vision you have for your 4x4 vehicle into reality.
That's a good one. Yeah. And it's crawlable. My locker was off. Down, turn up the rear you want to hit this just like that. Yeah, leave it just like that. Oh my god, that's so dope. Yeah. You know, you're a little wider in the rear, so it hooked up so good.
Another big thing that happened this weekend is my homie picked up an electric skateboard, so we spent a lot of time getting some beautiful cruising in.
This is cool.
Yokohama, New Jersey.